Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I do my homemade ginger tea from home. Ginger tea is one of my favorite drinks. I drink ginger tea when I have bad stomach or stomach pain and when I feel dizzy. Ginger tea is one of my favorite and it's so easy to make. I'm making my own ginger tea because it's easy and it's tasty and it tastes maybe a slightly better than the one that's from the shop. So that's why I would like to share this with you today. So let me show you what I use to make my ginger tea at home. So firstly, the ginger roots. This is the main ingredients, and I also use the honey, and that's it, the ingredients that I need today. And of course I've got my teapot. So I will need to chop the ginger roots into small pieces, then I can put into these little thing, I don't know what you call it, but yeah, so I need to put it in there. So let's start. Probably need it smaller because I need to put it in here. The more you put in, the more you will taste of the ginger. Depends how much you like your tea to be strong or less strong. So I think I'll use the whole lot. So here we go, I have chopped my ginger that I would like to use. And now I'm going to put into this cup. So I think they last a while really. I can probably drink it twice or 3 times. So you might have to push them down a little bit. So I'm going to put it into the teapot. And next I am going to squeeze some honey in. And next I'm going to put some hot water in. And I'm going to let it brew, sit for about 5-10 minutes and then I'll drink it. I also got a lid, so I'm going to put the lid on. So this is how I make my ginger tea from home. Very easy. So I hope you enjoy my easy recipe. I wouldn't call it recipe, easy how to, I would say. So now we'll have to wait for it about, I would say 10 minutes. To be honest, you can drink it, but you won't taste the ginger as much. So I like to sit it there for a while. So I think my ginger tea is ready, so let's have a look. Let's pour it. Smells so good. I'm going to try it. It's so nice, honestly. I hope you like my homemade ginger tea, and please share how you do your homemade ginger tea on the comment below. If you like this video, please don't forget to click like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. That's it for today for me. I'll see you again on my next video. See you, take care, bye bye.